We're dealing now with an issue of age and seniority. And you could take any profession. If you have done something one way for 30 years, it's going to be very hard to do it differently. COVID created a have and have-nots. There were a lot of lawyers who expedited their retirement as a result of COVID. Certainly those that practiced in litigation, whether in criminal or in civil, they recognized that as a result of COVID, the platform to practice law significantly changed, fundamentally changed from being live to online, case documents, digital as opposed to paper, research, digital, judges expecting FACTA with case law recitations to be links as opposed to actually providing the case books, meetings with clients, in fact, examinations for discovery and questioning in family law, Zoom, not live. A lot of lawyers who were used to it doing it one way, i.e. in person, decided that they just could not do it. It was too much for them to learn the new way, the new pathway. I was actually a little too young to retire and a little too old to change my habits, but I was forced to, and I did. And I'm glad I did, because I actually can see, both with my staff, with my clients, with the judiciary, and with my mediation practice, that the incorporation of technology in general and AI specifically in the practice of law has made so many more people happy. You know, when judges are in front of me on Zoom and they're asking me, where can I find this? And I tell them exactly, you go to this page on case lines, I cite the master page number, they find it, they know what it is that I'm referring to, they can read it later, they can adopt it. When I refer mediators to it, and when I'm a mediator or an arbitrator, and I use screen share on Zoom in order to collaborate on a document and collaborate on the resolution of a case, these are opportunities that bring such happiness to people who recognize that this is so fast, so helpful. And by the way, there's a lot of people that their learning styles are such that they need to see it. They're not the type of people that if you tell them the answer, they may not understand it, but if you show them the answer, they will get it. And so by using technology, sometimes I actually use technology when I'm in the room with the client, because they've got their laptop there, I've got my laptop. Rather than them walking around the table and sitting beside me and staring at my screen, I'll pop it up onto Zoom. And together, me and the client or me and the other lawyer will collaborate on it. And so technology is actually something that, you know, even the senior lawyers like myself have learned to embrace, because it actually reduces the amount of work, increases the level of happiness, and ultimately improves the excellence of service we provide.